Alright, let's be honest here. Who likes waking up in the morning only to find that your subscriber count dropped, even if it's just one subscriber? No one, that's who. But the fact remains, losing subscribers isn't something you have control over, but it has so much control over you that it is enough to cause a bad start to your day. Here's the thing I want you to know about subscribers. I have seen this happening to my own channel many times. 1 minute I could be earning 1 to 2 subscribers, and then the next minute I would lose 10 subscribers. That doesn't seem fair. I work hard to get 1 subscriber, and yet losing subscribers is so easy. Why can't it be the other way around? What I did notice though is 90% of the time, those subscribers that I lost, they will come back. They may not come back right away, but they will come back sometimes in the next day, or sometimes in a couple of hours, or maybe sometimes in a couple of days. So stop hitting that refresh button. It doesn't matter if you hit it 5 times or 10 times or 100 times in a minute. Those subscribers won't be back. You're better off just grabbing a slice of bread, put on some peanut butter and have a bite. Go grab yourself a cup of coffee, enjoy it, sit back and relax. Because what I found was those subscribers that I lost, they actually came back in a day or 2, or sometimes at worst case scenario, they'll come back after a week. And I'm not talking about new subscribers, I'm talking about those subscribers who you thought unsubscribed. They actually came back. It may not happen all the time, but 95% of the time, that's what happens to my YouTube channel. And all of this is thanks to YouTube playing tricks on us. I believe that the reason you're losing tons of subscribers in a matter of minutes is because YouTube is trying to verify that those new subscribers you got, they are actually legitimate subscribers. I know this may sound strange, but it is true. For some reason, not all of your subscribers on the other end of the monitor are actually humans, because sometimes they can be bots who are subscribing to your YouTube channel for an unknown reason. Take this video of mine for example. I got over 1,000 subscribers just from this video alone, and that's because I was running YouTube ads on it about 2 years ago. What's interesting here is that running ads puts this video as the first video to appear when people search for the word YouTuber. And whilst it did get many views and many subscribers, I do have to say that these subscribers are not as engaging, and I have a feeling 80% of them do not watch my future videos because I did not see a jump in views even with a jump in subscribers. So then why are people subscribing to my YouTube channel and not watching my future videos? Well, in my opinion, I personally believe that there are people out there in this world who run automated scripts to continuously create new accounts and continuously subscribe to YouTube channels. There are companies out there who provide all of these services to YouTubers who feels insecure about themselves. And the way this works is they built a program that continuously creates new accounts, search for a certain keywords so that their customer's video appears as the first video in their search results, and then they will use this account to subscribe to their YouTube channel. The program doesn't know if it is subscribing to the right YouTube channel or not, and I believe that's how I got that many subscribers by running YouTube ads, because I kind of broke their algorithm. So YouTube is also a pretty smart AI, and they want to remove all these bad practices, they want to remove all these fake accounts. And in doing so, sometimes legit accounts actually got caught in the middle of this process and were accidentally removed. But YouTube is pretty nice. They won't just remove those subs just like that. They'll put them in a review section to see if they are real accounts, and then they'll return those subscribers to you once they finish evaluating. And you can see this under your subscription source in your YouTube analytics where it says closed accounts. So honestly, when you lose subscribers, do not pay too much attention to it because some things are just beyond your control. There are people who will unsubscribe to your channel. That's pretty normal. I unsubscribe to many YouTube channels as well. But again, these are the type of things that you have no control over. What you can control, however, is your content. You can focus on improving your content. You can focus on trying new things. And those new things you try are what pulls in new viewers and subsequently new subscribers. And here's one more thing. I personally hate this page, this subscription source page, because of this subscribers lost column. I just think that it is quite unnecessary to tell me something I can't do anything about. So instead, I want you to focus on the subscribers gained column and pat yourself on the back to see how well you have done. The other better way for me is to go to your video section and sort them by subscribers. This will tell you what type of video helps you gain the most subscribers, and once you can identify what your viewers enjoy, you can double down on those content, create more of those because that's what's gonna get you more subscribers. You'll be surprised with what you find by doing it this way, because sometimes I found videos that doesn't have a lot of views but have tons of subscribers, meaning my subscription rate for those type of video is extremely high. These type of videos may not be something that many people watch or search for, but they do get me subscribers. And this says a lot about your content. It tells you that you're doing something correct with your video quality because people are subscribing to them. So the next time you lose subscribers again, just tell yourself to focus on getting new subscribers and not dwell on losing those subscribers. Everyone has their own opinion, everyone has their own choices, everyone can subscribe and unsubscribe to any channel they want, and maybe sometimes they are robots. But at the end of the day, none of this really matters because your focus shouldn't be trying to keep those who wants to leave. Your focus should be on those who wants to stay with you till the end. I know it is frustrating that YouTube is always doing unexplainable things to your YouTube channel, but this is the least you should worry about. If you want to be worried about the bad things that YouTube does to small YouTube channels, then worry about this, where YouTube just refuses to give us a proper answer we all deserve. Alright, that's all from me. Thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and catch you later.